Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Venmo to send Bitcoin. So in this video, I'm going to show you the interface of Venmo. So if you're looking for that, I'm truly sorry. So to send Bitcoin via Venmo, simply all you need to do is access your Venmo app at the moment. Of course, what is Venmo and how does it work? If you aren't at this video, you probably know what it is. Of course, how to find people on Venmo. Basically, you can type either their username on Venmo. You can even use their phone number or email address as well. Or they can send you their QR code. They can get it from their app. How can you buy crypto with Venmo? Of course, Venmo isn't just for splitting branch anymore. It's now a player for cryptocurrency space. So you can do that. So basically, to set up your Venmo account, you'll need to download it, link it to your bank account or debit card. And of course, credit cards won't work for crypto purchase on Venmo. Keep that in mind. Securing your account, of course, you'll need to enable the 2FA, which is very important to secure your account, and use a strong password, a unique password that you are not using in different apps. Of course, then you can go to the crypto section. There's the crypto section and the Venmo app. Pick a cryptocurrency that you want to buy. And of course, you can start with as little as $1, making it a low risk way to explore digital assets. Then make your purchase with the amount that you want to purchase from that cryptocurrency, depending on whatever it is. Normally, it's going to be Bitcoin as you because you are of course in this video. Of course, you can you transfer like crypto to other Venmo users? Yes, you can. You just have to click on crypto, click on tab, select the cryptocurrency that you want to send, click on the transfer arrow, bottomize, and then enter the recipient details and then review and confirm the transfers. Of course, crypto fees, like for cryptocurrency, if you can use, of course, fees vary by currency. For example, Bitcoin tends to have higher fees and etc. So how to keep lower fees? Keep your transactions like or time your transactions as an example. So if it's not urgent, consider waiting for a quieter time. Use lower or fees cryptos as an example. Bitcoin, Ethereum are pricey for transfers. You can use coins like Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash for lower fees, and double check before confirming, and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.